Here we have a nice 8N Ford tractor. It's probably around 1950. In pretty good condition. Very nice tractor. I've been driving it around since I got it. Make sure she runs and drives every day. Now I painted the forward part. It's missing the headlights. I got them, but they still need to be cleaned up and made to work in. And they're 6-volt. Now this tractor's been switched over and it's 12-volt now. So there you have that. And the rear tires, as you see, are a little wore out, but very nice tractor. Tack gauge, needs a tack gauge if you want one. But pretty clean little tractor. Have any questions, just give me a call. I think you'll like this one. The guy that had this before done a lot of work on it, was restoring it, and just decided to sell it. So I purchased it from him. And I cleaned her up a little bit, and nothing much. As you can see, got done a lot of work this tractor. But like I say, I got the headlight buckets. I haven't painted the toolbox yet, and the lid's missing. And this back tail light here is messed up. It needs excommunicated. Well, let's start her up. It should start right up. There's the carburetor. No leaks. Like I say, I've been running this every day. And it usually just starts right up. I hate to have to choke it. Too, but hey, I'm starting this early in the morning. About these tractors, but everything seems to be working. Please, give me a call.